Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create and assign tasks in a Google Chat space. So in the PC you can open the Gmail or Google Chat. So select the space where you want to create a space. For example, and you can click sign task, or you can select text tab at the top. Just click on it. So you can add space task. So enter the task title, for example, and you can add, you can optional to add the description or more details. Just click add details and enter the information. So that's how you can create and assign tasks in a Google Chat space on PC. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.